Your credit score can open doors or slam them in your face. Want a better mortgage rate? You need a good score. Want that dream car with low interest? You need a good score. Even renting an apartment, getting a phone contract, or sometimes landing a job, all can depend on your credit score. So today, I'm going to show you how to build your credit score fast. And we're talking practical steps you can start today. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your score from average to excellent without falling for any scams. Welcome back to the channel where we make money simple and achievable. If you're in the US or the UK, credit plays a massive role in your financial life. But most people don't know how it really works. In this video, we'll break it down into what a credit score is, how it's calculated, the fastest ways to improve it, mistakes that destroy your score overnight. So grab a notebook because this is going to be your ultimate credit score blueprint. Part 1. What is a credit score? Your credit score is basically a number that lenders use to decide how risky you are. It's like your financial reputation. In the US, the most common scoring model is FICO, ranging from 300 to 850. In the UK, different agencies like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion use different scales. But the idea is the same. Higher is better. A high score means lenders trust you more. You get better interest rates, you qualify for higher limits and bigger loans. A low score? Well, that means lenders see you as risky. You might get denied or pay way more in interest. Here's the kicker. Your credit score isn't just for loans. Employers, landlords, insurers, they might check it too. So, yeah, it matters. Part 2. How credit scores are calculated. Before we talk about building your score, you need to understand how it's calculated. In the US FICO model, the breakdown is 35% payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? 30% credit utilization. How much of your available credit are you using? 15% credit history length. How long have you had credit accounts? 10% credit mix. Do you have a variety of credit types, cards, loans, mortgage? 10% new credit. How many new applications have you made recently? In the UK, the principles are similar, but agencies each have their own scoring systems. Generally, they still look at payment history, credit usage, length of accounts, types of credit applications for new credit. Knowing this formula is the secret, because once you know how it's scored, you know where to focus your efforts for quick results. Part 3. Step by step. How to build your credit score fast. Step 1. Pay all bills on time, every time. The number one rule: never miss a payment. Even being 30 days late can crush your score. If you're forgetful, set up automatic payments or reminders. In the UK, setting up a direct debit can make sure utilities and cards are always paid on time. Step 2. Lower your credit utilization. Credit utilization is how much of your limit you're using. Example, if you have a $1,000 limit and you've spent $500, that's 50% utilization. Aim to keep this below 30%, and for maximum impact, below 10%. Fast tip: make extra payments mid-month, not just at the due date, so your reported balance is lower. Step 3. Ask for a credit limit increase. If your spending stays the same but your limit goes up, your utilization instantly improves. Call your bank or card provider and ask for a limit increase. Just make sure they don't run a hard inquiry unless necessary. Step 4. Become an authorized user. If you have a family member or close friend with great credit, ask to be added as an authorized user on their card. You get the benefit of their positive payment history without even using the card. Just make sure they trust you. Step 5. Open a secured credit card. If you have no credit or bad credit, a secured card is a game changer. You put down a deposit, like $200, and that becomes your limit. Use it lightly, pay it off in full, and watch your score grow. Step 6. Use Experian Boost, UK/US. This is a free service that lets you add utility and subscription payments, like Netflix or phone bills, to your credit report. For some people, it gives an instant bump. Step 7. Keep old accounts open. Length of credit history matters. Don't close your oldest account unless it's costing you a fortune in fees. Even if you don't use it often, keep it open. Step 8. Diversify your credit mix. If all you have is credit cards, adding a small installment loan, like a credit builder loan, can help your mix. In the UK, even having a mobile phone contract counts as credit history. Step 9. Limit hard inquiries. Every time you apply for credit, it can temporarily lower your score. Space out applications and only apply when you really need to. Step 10. Monitor your credit reports. Check your reports at least once a year, free in both US and UK, to make sure there are no errors. In the US, go to annualcreditreport.com. In the UK, you can check free via ClearScore, Credit Karma, or directly with Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Part 4. Common mistakes that kill your credit score. Mistake 1. Maxing out your cards. Even if you pay on time, high utilization can tank your score. Mistake 2. Closing old accounts shortens your history and raises utilization. Mistake 3. Applying for too much credit at once. Multiple hard inquiries signal risk. Mistake 4. Ignoring small bills. Unpaid utilities or parking tickets can end up on your report. Mistake 5. Not checking your report. Errors happen, and they can drag your score down for years. Part 5. How long does it really take? If your score is low, but you start applying these tips today, you can see noticeable improvement in as little as 30 to 90 days, especially if the main issues are utilization or missing payments. But for big jumps, like going from 500 to 750, expect 6 to 18 months of consistent good habits. Part 6. UK versus US credit differences. Quick note for my UK viewers. We don't have one universal score like the US. Each lender has their own system, but your reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion still guide their decisions. Also, in the UK, being on the electoral roll boosts your score. Regular utility payments are factored in. Hard searches matter more than in the US. For US viewers, FICO and VantageScore are the main models. Utilization and payment history are huge factors. You can often dispute negative marks online. Part 7. The mindset for long-term credit success. Here's the truth. There's no magic overnight fix, but there are fast wins, like lowering utilization, removing errors, and becoming an authorized user. Combine those with long-term habits like on-time payments and keeping old accounts open, and you'll have excellent credit for life. And remember, your credit score is just a tool. The real goal isn't bragging rights, it's saving money on interest, unlocking opportunities, and giving yourself financial freedom. So now you know exactly how to build your credit score fast and keep it there. Which tip are you going to start with today? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips, and share this with a friend who needs a credit score boost. Your financial future is in your hands. Start building it today.